First, mask snitches. The Missouri Attorney General asks parents to report school districts with mask mandates.
Well, I think it's a sick political stunt by the Attorney General.
Why the AG says schools don't have the authority for mandates. Good evening, I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. The Attorney General even wants parents to collect evidence for his office. Our Casey Nolan found there are already threats to call the police on the administrators. Casey.
Mike and Ann, the tension over masks in schools may just be at its highest point. This is a message from a school administrator, a school board member actually, who told me today that the harassment is exhausting and said press releases from the Attorney General, Eric Schmitt, over the past 2 days have taken things to the next level.
I think it's a sick political stunt by the Attorney General to say, hey, let's just, screw your kids, screw your families. Let's just not wear masks.
With COVID cases once again on the rise, Kara Smith is once again mostly staying at home. She's a lung cancer patient who can't risk a cold, much less COVID. She is also the parent of a Rockwood student where currently masks are required.
But my greatest fear right now is that there's my son gets a breakthrough case and brings it home and I get sick and I wind up passing away from it. I don't want that on my child's conscience.
There's a lot of parents who've been frustrated. They feel like they've been shut out.
Attorney General Eric Schmitt says he is standing up for those parents. The AG says a recent Cole County court ruling invalidates all COVID health orders. Wednesday, he followed up his earlier letter to schools demanding they drop their mask mandates with a call to action for parents to submit videos and photos of any district still requiring masks.
Since we sent that out, we've had over 1,000 emails already. So there's a lot of folks that, are frustrated by the situation.
Some think it's a little weird, though, to ask parents to videotape schools.
Sure. We just want to know who's violating the law at this point, because as I said, we made it clear yesterday, we intend to enforce the order.
Are they consulting their lawyers?
Absolutely.
Paul Ziegler helps districts coordinate COVID plans. He says many school boards believe they still have the authority to pass their own mandates separate from health departments. And he's worried the AG's call for evidence will pit parents against educators even more than they already are.
Not a good scenario to have people that otherwise should not be on a school campus coming in. I know he didn't ask for that, but certainly that type of behavior is what we're encouraging with that letter.
The Attorney General insists this is not a political stunt on his part, even though he is running for the U.S. Senate. He also sent a letter specifically to the Rockwood district today after a parent reported the district. A spokesperson tells me their attorneys will be responding, and we should note several other districts also have mandates in place. We also reached out to parents who are encouraging their kids to take the AG's letter to school and tell teachers they don't have to wear a mask, but so far none will go on camera. And while some have posted that they plan to tell that they have called police on their child's Rockwood school, the district says so far, Mike, police have not shown up.
Casey, thanks. An accused serial killer will